Hello friends, welcome to learn HTML without an editor. Let us continue the table tag. If you don't want previous video, then I would like to request you to watch the previous video. Now let us continue. In table tag, you can use table heading. Suppose here table heading is something nature information. Here we want to create a new row, then there is tr. Within td we want to insert a image or picture. Okay, for that here use the image tag img tag. The attribute is source is equal to, you can give here the path of your image. Here in our folder we have a images folder, therefore here you can directly type the images, after that slash, and here you can give the image name. Suppose here the image name, press the F2 from keyboard, right click, copy it or Ctrl C and paste here and give the extension .jpg. Okay, in the same row in next td we want to write some information. Okay, here I use some dummy information. Okay, I want here 2 to 3 lines, therefore let us copy paste this. Okay, now td is closed. Okay, and the table is closed. Here for limited size of table, give the size attribute. Suppose we want to give the on percentage basis, our screen is of 100%, then let us utilize out of that 30%. You can also give in pixel as well as in percentage form. Okay, save it. Let us see the preview. Double click on it. But here we don't want like this, therefore again go to your source code, give the image size. Here we have attribute of image tag, that is width and height. Width is equal to suppose 200 pixel and height is of 250 pixel. Okay, now let us save it and see the preview. Click on file, click on save, go to your page, press F5. Okay, sorry, here is not size, here width 30%. Save it. Okay, you can also give here a vertical alignment. Then here use the attribute v-align is equal to top. Save it, again see the preview. Okay, you can give the alignment top, middle and bottom, vertical alignment, therefore here v-align. Now let us use the bg color attribute. Bg color is equal to suppose pink. Now again save the file, see the preview. But we want this cell fit within the 2 columns. For that here we have a attribute, we want to combine the 2 columns, therefore the attribute is colspan is equal to 2. Save it and refresh it. Like this you can use colspan as well as rowspan. Okay, you can also use here cell spacing is equal to 0. This attribute is belong to the table tag. Cell spacing is equal to 0. Now here there is no cell spacing, as well as we want the border 0, give here border 0. Now let us remove the background color and give the align attribute to the table. Save it. Like this, with the help of table, you can place information anywhere on the page. If you want to give the one more row, then here tr, and suppose let us copy paste this td. Okay, save it. Now let us see how it will look. Now again here you have to use the colspan is equal to 2. Save it. F5. Like this, with the help of table, you can place anywhere information like this. Only you have to do the border is equal to 0. Then there is no identity of table, and you can decorate your page as per your requirement, as per your logic. The main attributes are cell pacing. Here we use column span. Like this, you can also use a row span if you want to combine the more than one row together. Okay, then you have to practice row span as well as column span and the table. Okay, thank you for watching the video. We will continue in next video.